Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo anak-anakku, how are you today? We meet again in English lessons for today with Bu Ririn Maestrina. Kita bertemu kembali di pelajaran bahasa Inggris dengan saya, Ibu Ririn. Before we begin our lessons, I will check your attendance in Zoom. We wait 4 minutes or some minutes. Okay, I think it's completed. Before we begin our lessons, we will pray. Kita akan berdoa terlebih dahulu sesuai dengan keyakinan kita masing-masing. Bu Ririn will lead the prayer. Let's pray together. Begin. Enough. Okay. Before we learn about these materials, I will talk about the objectives or the purpose we learn these materials. This material is about personal letter. The objectives are, after you learn it, you can analyze and compare the social function, the structure, and the language feature from the personal letters. Okay, we begin our learning. Let me share the personal or the example of personal letter. This is example of personal letter in English language. Look at that. And then next, this is an example of personal letter in Indonesian language. I want to ask you, some of you have received or written a personal letter. Personal letter, surat pribadi. Sudahkah di antara kalian yang pernah menerima atau menulis contoh dari Okay, please, from this letter you analyze and you compare the social function, the structure, and the language feature. You can ask me if you have difficulties to find Okay. Next, I will give you the materials of personal letter. This is the meaning of personal letter, and then the structure, and then starting and conclusions, and then the purpose of personal letter, and then the social functions of personal letter, and then the language feature, and then the examples which each part of personal letter. We can see this example is address, that salutation, greeting, introducing the body of the letter, closure, closing, signature, and postscript. Okay, next we will learn the last of the sessions. It is about the resume and reflections. Okay, resume, rangkuman dan refleksi untuk pembelajaran hari ini. We have learned about the personal letter, the meaning of personal letter, and then the social functions, the structure, and the language feature. Okay, the last session, please you complete this table with your analysis from those letters. You can write your analysis in this table in English language personal letter and Indonesian language personal letter. That's all the English lesson for today. Have you question? If you don't have, I will finish the English lesson for today. See you next time. And the next meeting, we will learn about making a new personal letter in interesting form. Okay, I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.